Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Sorento Si, stock reference number 5815. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 8th month 2017. It has a DF 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6 DF 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tyre light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has no damage. Right guard has no damage. Right power door mirror is faded. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, and the right sun visor.